For making complaint entry, click on to Maintenance and select Complaint Entry. Enter the request type, Request Department, Requested by, Status, Priority, select Location and enter location. Enter request details. Click on to Save option. Work request saved successfully. For making complaints status update, click on to Maintenance and select Complaint Status Update. Enter the request number. Once you enter the request number, all the details automatically fills up. Enter the work details. Enter the status. Click on to Save option. Work request status updated successfully. Complaint entry and complaint status update in maintenance management has been done successfully. Thank you.